Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸 with another tutorial whether how you can split screen of vertical videos and add stroke line in Shotcut. So to do that, open Shotcut and start a project by giving it a name. And before starting to work on the new project, here is the Shotcut version I'm doing this on. Anyhow, add your videos and drag one to the timeline. Well, if you don't want to keep the audio, you can just right click on the clip and select detach to separate the audio and then press delete key on your keyboard to delete it. Now add a new video track and drag the other clip to it. Now select the upper clip and add a filter named Size, Position and Rotate by going to the Filter tab here or here. Then zoom it in if needed and change its position according to your need. Now click on this plus sign and add another filter named Opacity and adjust its level according to your need, just to have an idea about the position of the other clip. Now select the bottom clip and add a filter named Size, Position and Rotate. And adjust the position of the clip while zooming in or out if needed. Now select the upper clip and then the filter named Opacity and click on this minus sign to delete it as it's not needed anymore. Now add another filter named Mask Draw to the upper track. And click on New. It will open a new window. Here, zoom out the screen by rolling the mouse wheel and select Layer and Fill options under Draw Bezier tool. Now select the split area on the screen and at every point press left click on the mouse, and when you are done selecting the area on the screen, press enter on your keyboard to apply it. Then save it under File menu and then quit or close this window. And here you can see that it's showing the split screen between two clips. Now let's add a stroke line. So to do that, add another video track and add animation under new generator. Here, change the length of this animation. Let's say 20 seconds. And remember, keep it transparent and then click on open. And then drag it to the new track. Well, since I've added 20 seconds, it won't go longer than that. So if you want to increase its length, change its time here under Properties tab. Now click on Edit here and it will open the same window again. Now zoom out by rolling the mouse wheel, and this time under Draw Bezier tool, select Layer and Stroke options. And then draw a line on the split part of the screen. And remember, at every point of the stroke line, give it a left mouse click, and when you are done, hit enter to apply. Well, if you want to edit the stroke line, select this tool and click on the stroke line to select it. Then drag the endpoints and use these tools to edit it according to your needs. and then save the changes under the File menu. And if you want to change the color of the stroke line, you sure can, either under Stroke tab here, or you can go here and find Stroke to not just change the color, but also opacity, width, and more. So to change the color, just double click on the color and select your color and then hit apply. And then OK. And you can change the width here. Just double click on it. And either you can use this slider to increase or decrease the width value, or you can add the width value manually. Remember, when you add the width value manually, hit enter to apply it. And when you are done, just save it under File menu and close or quit the window. And here you can see this is how the split screen with the stroke line will look like. Well, if the video seems too bright, just add a color of your choice. And apply a filter named opacity and adjust its level according to your need. Then, after checking, export the project file. And then play it, and this is how it will look like. Anyhow, this is how you can not just split the screen of vertical videos or clips, but also can add stroke line in Shotcut. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.